Hey, what you're looking at is a 2002 Ford Taurus, and I'm going to show you how I changed the temperature control switch in here. This temperature control switch right here was not functioning properly. When I would cut it on cold, it would be still kind of warm. I turned it on hot, it would never get really hot. So I figured something was wrong with the switch. And so I decided to go down to the junkyard and see if I could find one to replace it with and see if that was my problem. Figured it would be a relatively cheap repair. So all you have to do, pull the knob off. You need a pair of these little tools that slide into your radio slots. Now this, everything comes out all at once. You got to put these in on each side. They slide in until they release your radio. Your radio slides out, completely slides out. Be careful with it because there's wires and things attached. You don't want to damage anything. And right here in the middle on the bottom is your control switch. Now I already have the control switch that I took out. It has a little bolt hole right here, which is 5mm. Take that little 5mm bolt out, unclip your wire, and this switch clips. It just twists right out and pull it out. That's it. Take your new switch, clip it back in, twist it, put your bolt back in, and then all you have to do is slide your radio and all your controls. It has two little grooves on each side, and it just slides into a slot. Slide it back into its slot, and you can hear it when it clicks back into place. You can take these retainer clips out, but it's back into place. Now all we have to do is put our handy dandy little knob back on, push it back down into place, and that's it. But if you're ever having trouble, this is a very easy thing to replace, and they're not very expensive if you want to buy a new one, aftermarket or manufacturer's part. Very relatively easy, simple process to do. So if you ever think that may be your problem, change it out and try and see. They work for me, and hopefully it'll work if that's what you think your problem is.